Hello everyone, welcome to GrowFin, the channel where we turn skills, AI and smart systems into real income. If you want to start freelancing but don't know where to begin, or you're tired of low-pay gigs, today's video is for you. I'm going to walk you step by step through how to start AI freelancing, even if you have no technical background, no portfolio and no prior clients. Step 1 is choosing the right AI service. Instead of trying to do everything, focus on one high-demand task. Examples include AI content writing, AI video scripting, AI image generation, AI social media captions, AI resume writing, AI product descriptions, or AI chatbot setup. These services are in demand because businesses want results fast and cheap. Step 2 is picking the right AI tools. Tools like text generators, image generators, video generators, and voice tools allow you to produce professional level work in minutes. Your value is not the tool, your value is how you use it to solve a business problem. Step 3 is creating a simple portfolio. You don't need real clients at first. Create 3 to 5 sample projects. Write demo blog posts, generate sample thumbnails, create mock ads, or build example landing page text. Put these samples into a simple Google Drive folder or one-page website. Step 4 is choosing the right freelancing platform. Start with Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or direct outreach on LinkedIn and email. On platforms, optimize your profile headline clearly. Say exactly what you do and who it helps, such as, I help small businesses grow using AI-powered content and automation. Step 5 is pricing smartly. Beginners should start with competitive pricing, but never undervalue yourself. Offer a clear package with fast delivery and revisions. Speed is one of the biggest advantages of AI freelancing. Step 6 is client communication. Always ask what the client's goal is. More sales, more clicks, more leads. Deliver clean results, explain what you did, and suggest one improvement. This turns one-time clients into repeat clients. Step 7 is scaling your income. Once you get consistent orders, productize your service. Offer monthly packages, upsells, and bundles. Use templates and workflows so each job takes less time but pays the same or more. The biggest secret of AI freelancing is this. You are not selling AI, you are selling outcomes. Businesses don't care how it's done. They care about speed, quality, and results. If you follow these steps, you can build AI freelancing into a side income, then a full-time business. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe to GrowFin. Comment below what AI service you want to start, and I'll make a full tutorial just for that.